This is going to be a video on how to download H2M, and it might have got a cease and desist, but there's still servers and you can join your friends with Radmin VPN. All right, so you're going to want to go to the link in the description. It'll probably be the first thing I put in there. It's going to be the H2M drive. You just want to go on there, and then you just want to press download. It's that simple. It'll download a whole bunch of stuff. All right, once those are downloaded, it's going to look something like this. And all you want to do is just highlight them all, right click, extract to, and then the one with the slash at the end. And then once this is all done, it's all going to be in one folder, as you can see right here. And then I'll show you what to do right when this is done. Now that all those are downloaded, you can go ahead and delete the RARs if you want. You're going to want to open up the H2M file. It'll have everything you need right here. All right, and now that you have all these, you're going to want to drag it into your MWR base game files. So in order to find that, you go to your library, go to MWR, wherever I have mine, right here. You want to go to settings, manage, browse local files. That'll pop up. Or if you just want to go to your Steam files, if you know where that is, you can just do that on your file explorer. Now that you are in your Call of Duty MWR base files, I already have them in here, as you can see. You're just going to want to drag all of these, highlight them all, and just drag them in there. Of course, I don't need to do that. I already have all the files it says I have. If it does pop up anything with this, just press replace files in the destination. And then once all of this is done uploading to that drive, which it should be instantaneous if it's on the same drive. If not, then it might take a little while. It is 17 gigs. Now, after that is done, all you want to do is find the exe, which is somewhere down in here. All right, so once you find the H2M mod application, you're just going to right click, and this is what I do. You personally don't have to do that. You can open it up from here anytime you want, or what I do is I create a shortcut. As you can see, I already have one right here. And then once you have the shortcut, you just drag it on over to desktop, and that's just going to add it to your desktop. And I dragged mine right here, as you can see. And it's as simple as that. You just open up the game. Might take a second to launch for the first time that you do this. It took me a second, that's for sure. It does log your Discord. I'm not sure exactly why, but yes, it does do that in case you're worried about any of that. And if you do get any errors, opening this thing will show you what the error is. It'll say error blah 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 file missing, or whatever the problem is. But it should just work right away. Unless like for some reason it didn't download all the files, it should just be working like a dream. And play online. We're going to show you how to play with your friends. The servers are quite simple. All you have to do is literally just go to their website. You click on H2M, find whichever server. Okay, well, if it ever wants to load, you guys can literally pick whichever server you want. Let's say there's 13 people in here. You press play, highlight all of that, go into your game, and then you just copy and paste. And it's literally as simple as that. It's actually insane. I can't believe that this is working. And they're literally typing. It actually works. Zelt is in here. Holy. This is fire, bro. What? Okay, so yeah, servers are in the game. It's just not popping up on the server browser. So, all right. In order to play with friends, you're going to need to download Radmin VPN. It's pretty straightforward. You just free download right there. It pops up right here, save. I already have it downloaded, of course. You're gonna want here, I'll actually go through that too with you guys. So download, perfect. You want to open it up, perfect. But here's what it looks like. If you wanted to start a server, you create the network, you just create a name. You can name it literally whatever you want, and then the password whatever you want. You create it, and then you're already in. That's all it is. If you want to join a network, join network name and password, same thing as the other one. It's that simple. You want to do private network so that you can play with your friends. I'm already in one, as you can see. Wow, there's some crazy names in here. Anyways, go into your game. It doesn't matter where you're at. I just do it on the main lobby usually, and open up your console. If you have a 50% keyboard or 60% like me, you just got to press F and escape, and it'll open it up. If you have a regular keyboard, it's just going to be the tilde key. All you got to do is just type connect space, and then you paste that IP of whichever one you selected, and you just press enter, and it's that simple. So that's basically how you use Radmin. A quick tip: if your controller doesn't work right when you open the game or when you're in a private match, it just like if it doesn't let you move around, you most likely have your controller or your Steam input enabled. You need to disable that. It doesn't work with Steam for some reason. You just got to go into your Steam settings, controller, disable Xbox overlay or whatever it says, and then it's that simple. That's all you got to do. I hope you guys did enjoy this. If you guys want to see more, or if you guys want to join up on some vanilla FFA lobbies, I'm going to be streaming it and recording videos on here. So I want you guys to subscribe first off, leave a like on this video so it gets spread so we have more people. Yeah, just stay tuned. I honestly have a lot planned for this game. I mean, there's not going to be matchmaking, which sucks, but we're still going to have FFA lobbies. I was always going to play with my friends anyways. I'll see you guys in the next video.